Our next project is to learn our first fingerboard code, and the fingerboard code we're going to learn in this session is for string 6 and string 5. Fingerboard codes are a way of looking at the guitar, a way of unlocking the fingerboard and finding solutions for musical problems. Our first project is to move at the rate of 2 notes at a time around the circle of fifths in an anti-clockwise direction. So we're firstly looking to move between C and F. That's our first 2 notes. Now if I go over to the guitar fingerboard, I'm going to start at the note C at the 8th fret on string 6. And I'll find directly underneath that note C, I'll find the note F. Now you'll notice we have up here the fingerboard code back 2 frets, and we have an arrow pointing to the head of the guitar. And what that means is I've successfully moved from the note C to F, and now I want to move from B flat to E flat. So this is where our code comes in to help us. Our new starting point is 2 frets back from where we started. So now I'm at the 6th fret. There's my B flat on string 6. Directly underneath that B flat is the next note I'm looking for, the E flat. The next 2 notes I want to find, A flat and D flat. Again, I'm going to use our fingerboard code back 2 frets. My new starting point will be at the 4th fret. There's A flat. Directly underneath, again, is my next note that I need, D flat. And you can move right around the whole circle this way. This is the code every single instance. Let's have a look at the next 2 notes I need. F sharp to B. Back 2 frets. My new starting point is the 2nd fret, F sharp. Directly underneath it, the note B. The next 2 notes I need is E and A. I can either play these as open strings. That would mean the open 6th string would be E and directly underneath it would be A. I'm actually going to go up to the 12th fret. That's another option that we have. So I'm going to play the E, 12th fret on string 6. Directly underneath it is the note A. Nearly finished. The last 2 notes I need, D and G. D is on the 10th fret, string 6. Underneath it again, back 2 frets from our last point, is G. And now I've successfully moved right around the circle of fifths in an anti-clockwise direction. I'm using 2 strings, string 6 and string 5, and I'm using our fingerboard code of moving back 2 frets at a time, and that will give me the next 2 notes I need in our circle of fifths.